channel. I am just preparing to go away, so this is a travel vlog. On the way to the post office, so I ordered quite a few things from Zara for my holiday, and I've had them delivered to my post office because I knew that I wasn't going to be in this week. So I am going to go collect everything and do all my packing and get ready for my holiday. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to do my holiday prep, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do before I go on holiday. So I'm just off to the post office now, so let's go. I was just walking past my soda stand, so I think I'm going to get a few makeup bits for some of my relatives. So most of these actually are discounted, so I'm just going to make the most of it. Get some lipsticks, some blushes, that kind of thing. As well. It's a good one. I've just got home with all my Zara parcels. I'm just going to open some of them, and I'm still packing with all these suitcases. I still have to pack this as well, so I'll start with this big one. I don't think I'm going to open all of them because this video is going to be too long, but I think these are my hats, my summer hats, my sun hats. It feels really light, but it's such a big box, really big. But let me just open it. I think these are the hats though, so let's see what's in here. Oh, how do I even open this? Okay. Oh. I knew it. Okay, so this is definitely... okay. That's the first one. I love it. Isn't it cool? So I just wanted a white green hat because obviously when it's hot, I want it to cover my shoulders as well. So yeah, I love this one. Okay, so that's the first one. I'm not going to open all of them, but let's see what else to open. So I've got this one and this one. Oh, and then I have this one as well. I have this one. I have this one. I have this one and this one. That's all of them. So let's see what else to open. Right, heavy. Right, let's do this one. This feels light. Could be another hat. Okay, I'll do this one. We'll just take this off. We'll save this for my holiday. How am I going to carry this on the flight, guys? Honestly, I don't want to fold it because it might get ruined. I don't know how I'm going to carry this on the flight. This was on sale, by the way. The original price was $49.99, but I bought it on sale, which is really nice. So let's open this one. It feels like could be another hat because I bought the black one, but I think this could be the other one, the other hat. So let's see. Yeah, I thought so. So this is the other hat. How cool is this? Let me just try it on. Is it supposed to be like this? I think so. Okay. Goes with my dress. Isn't it cute? Okay, so I love it. This was insane as well. from £49. So this is how it looks. Cute. Okay, I'll take this one as well. I think my sister can wear this one. I can't be bothered to open all the other ones right now, so it's mostly dresses and stuff, so yeah.
I'm going to get my hair done when I get there, but I decided to actually buy the hair here, and so I have got these, which are already prepared, like pre-stretched and 28 inches. I'm going for a different colour because normally I just have it black, but I'm having this colour 30 mixed with colour 1, and it's going to have a bit of curls, so I'm going to put these curls in it as well. And I've got my oil treatment. When I get there, when I make my appointment for my oil treatment, I'll just see what they have there. Otherwise, I'll just stick to what I normally use, because I don't want my hair to break or anything like that. When when your hair's done in Africa, it always looks amazing. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be so much fun. So this is my holiday pack. Everything, YouTube, Instagram, everything.
You take it through, madam, video?
I did, yeah.
Okay, you come, I'll book after this.
Okay.
You desire everything, we have it. Okay?
Okay, I'll come, definitely.
Okay?
Yeah.
Rosa.
Sugar.
Thank you.
27.
Okay, just pay my card.
YouTube. Look after price, bro. 25 charge it.
Amazing, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just here for my pedicure and my manicure, just getting ready for my holiday. This is my first time in here. I think they only just opened a few weeks ago, so just going to have a bit of pampering for my holiday. locks because these are all new suitcases, so I need to set all the locks. And by the way, this is not just for me, this is for my sister as well. So we've both got 2 big suitcases and 1 small one, which is the hand luggage. So it looks like a lot, a lot of clothes and a few gifts for a few people, and yeah, it's not too heavy though. Although I do lift a lot of heavy weight, so maybe it might be heavy for the average person, but not for me. So I'm resetting all my locks now, and I have to reset all these. So I did do a video about a year ago explaining how to reset this. It's quite easy. All you have to do, let me just move closer so you can see. All you have to do is put this on 0. Make sure that it's on 0. There's also a reset button that you have to press, which is here in the, I don't know if you can see. Yes. So that's the reset button. You've set all these on 0. That's the reset button over here. Don't know if you can see it. So you just need something sharp to reset it, but make sure these are all on 0. And then after you've pressed the reset button, just enter all your numbers, make sure you remember them, and then press this, and then that's all set. So let me just show you. I'll just demonstrate. Take this out. Make sure it's on 0. I'm just going to do it just now. So these are all on 0. So I'm pressing the reset button, and you should hear a little click. That's it. And then I'm just going to set it. So set it from the top. Okay, so I've just chosen my numbers, and then just click, and then it's all set, so all sorted. So it's all set now, so it's just so easy to reset it. That's all done, so I am going to do the other 5 now. Actually, I'm going to have a cup of tea while I'm doing it. And of course, I'm having my Zimbabwe tea from my land. And if you want some Zimbabwe, please have a look on my website. It's going to be in the description box. But let me do all the setting of all these suitcases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. You don't want to miss all my travel vlogs. It's going to be so much fun. I'm going to share lots and lots and lots. So I'm flying from Birmingham to Zurich, and then Zurich to Joburg, and then Joburg to Zimbabwe. See you in the next one.